Cheers.
Oh, see you in a minute, okay?
Hola, hi.
Hi.
May I help you?
My wife is here.
Ah, yeah, you're
Yeah,
doing
we're
the
together.
checking.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Liwa.
23 siere. Concierge comité de culture.
Thank you. Okay.
You have Fire a la Carte restaurant?
Yeah.
There is your first time here?
Yes.
First time, yeah.
So the lobby bar open 24 hours. There is a main building, second floor. There is a restaurant buffet, okay?
Okay.
You have Fire a la Carte restaurant.
Oh, 5 a la carte?
Yeah, you don't need to make a reservation, just to go.
You can walk in for a la carte?
Yeah, and you can ask who is the last on the line, okay?
Oh,
You don't need to book, just to
that's
go.
nice.
It's very good.
But,
But if you want, or if you need any special dinner, whatever, you can talk to your concierge, to Carlos or David,
Carlos.
and he arranges for you, okay? Second floor. And Caribe International, B1 restaurant a la carte. But if you walk straight ahead inside the main building,
yeah,
at the end of the hall, you see lobby bar and reception, okay?
yeah.
Hola.
You're so popular.
¿Todo bien?
Very bien. Too much street here.
Huh?
Street.
Street?
Yeah, there's a
No,
lot.
no,
of
no,
street.
no, I'll show you the way, don't worry. I'll show you a nice way.
Make me confused.
No, 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 I'll show you the way.
Yeah, we're there.
I'll show you just one way.
Naka-elevate sa lupa.
Okay, listen. Your room is in this building. Okay, come. No, vale, estoy entrando, estoy llamando, no me hagas eso.
Hola, welcome to the hotel.
Él sabe que me llamas a ver.
De Battle, sí, pues tienen que llamarme, no llevarlo al cliente.
Eso te digo, ahí, eso.
Bien.
No, no,
Sí. Quiero- ¿Qué quita aquí si quieres?
Tú lo cambias de Wendy.
El mismo se quita, no puede doler.
That's the person when I told you, David, and he can do everything for you, okay?
Yeah, okay, thank you. You're welcome. Tuturo ko muna kayo mga bossing. Ito yung aming room. Yan yung main door. Yan ang sala. At ito yung bed. So, bachelor lang talaga siya. Isang maliit ditong lagayan ng tubig. Kapihan, kumbaga. Tapos, ito yung bathroom namin. Yan. Bathroom is not bad.
That's nice.
Ang laki ng bathtub, oh. Grabe.
Alas 6:30 na tayo na kumain.
Simple pero maganda. Okay, let's go! Kami guys ay pupunta na. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadaan.
Yung alakad pala dito yung libre.
Oo nga, sabi nga. Yan ay
Hindi aircon. Tulo ang aking baba.
cheers. Second plate. Sarap yung pagkain nila dito ah.
Iganap siya ng haranahan.
Naisip ko yung tugtog na yan. Dapat niya itugtog sa atin. Oh, so sweet. Kaming dessert dito, sasarap po. Pasyalan namin yung beach. Katatapos lang namin kumain, busog na busog. Lakad-lakad kami ng
Alam
konti.
ba yung natin?
Ayun, ang papuntang
Ay,
beach.
tayo.
Ba, may naliligo pa.
Tara, tara.
Ayun o. Sabi ko siya, ang araw pa, mayroon pa.
Last bit of the sunset for the day. This is the bar.
7:30 na ng gabi. Buti nakahabol ako. Yung sunset. You know? Ganda. Lubay! Bukas, balik tayo bukas. Dinalo lang namin, bukas tayo na magpapatuloy pag-vlog. Like it, I like. Back here in the room. Buti na lang malamig dito. Lalakad kami ngayon. Labas. Resort. Buenos días. Buenos días. Papaya?
Not really. Why you want to?
Voy from Canada.
Yeah.
Grazie.
Did you arrive last night?
Yeah.
Okay, so because today we have an appointment at 10 a.m. over there where I'm going to give you some information regarding the hotel. I'm going to explain a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
Okay, so it's at
10
10
o'clock then. Okay. Ito lang Sabado at Linggo. Ano? Hindi mo may mauubos yung araw natin.
I'll take this. Jeep Safari Yumuri.
So Jeep Safari, do you drive a standard?
Yes, I am.
Do you have your driving license?
Yes. Do you have your wallet? Don't tell me you left it. The safe is not closed. Because we are houses depending. Ayun, hindi. Magkano naman lahat.
Ayan. Dalawa.
Dalawang tao isa?
Oo. Ayan.
Makatakot.
Natakot ka? Tubig naman babagsakan niya. Viva Baradero!
Malamok sa Baradero.
Malamok sa Baradero, pero masarap ang tubig. Lawak ng seashore. Baka dito nga doon na ano, nilag lang. Banda ron. Kumain na ako. Huwag mo ako sakalain. Nasakal mo ako eh. Patong mo lang yung kamay mo. Hindi ako makahinga. Patay tayo dyan. Hindi ah. Pagod, saka kalangol. Namuti na si boss.
ellos la discoteca de tiempo se acordó. Eso, por de vida, todo el mundo.
Viva Cuba! Gawa na si Bossing. Si Bossing gawa lang. Ah. Kuha daw kami ng shake. Pampalamig. Shake daw, shake. Meron ba shake dito?
That's the almond coconut. Kaya lang may icing na. 2, 3,
4.
4.
That's melon?
Watermelon.
Thank you.
Yan ang guwapa.
Hindi ako nag-go get some ice cream. Saan ito?
Lisa, kaya rin ako kami yan.
I don't have my purse. I'm wet.
Dead end eh. Alam ko yan eh. Dead end eh. Tapos sakit ka ng hagdan. Second floor. Ayan, magbubukas siya. Ang galing. Nobody here. Meron pang puno ng ano dito. Saging pa. Ito, tinanggal na. Maliit pa. Ayan. Kami magsisipod ngayon. Italian. Ano? A la carte. Bilis ng bossing ko. Sakit ng katawan. Maghapong nasa beach. Grabe. Paghiga ako sa kama ay talagang ramdam ko yung sakit ng likod ko. Dinner namin. Anong in-order mo?
Fish fillet, lobster.
Lobster and fish fillet. Layo natin dalawa eh. Di na ako nag-wine kasi nangangasim na siguro ako. Bossing na lang nag-wine ngayon.
May baon akong antayas. Kaya ako
Tsaka hindi, ilang araw na ako may inom ng alak na niinom ako ng gamot. Parang masama yun.
hindi ako may
Niinom ako ng gamot. What's this?
Biscuit.
lobster.
Lobster soup?
Seafood, yeah.
Seafood
Yeah.
soup? Oh wow! First
Hindi ko
time.
sure kung masarap eh. Kaya order ako ng chicken salad.
Oh wow! Wanna try? Wanna try? Sarap.
Ngayon tayo ng pilit. Kaya maraming kumakain. Swerte na yung suggestion na yan. Bakit na yung nakalabas?
Bihira lang to mga bossing. Banata na natin to.
I wonder what... Maybe nandito sa ano. Nagdagdag mo.
Sarap talaga pagka-grill ano? Guys, tapos na. Thank you Lord sa food today. Maraming salamat.
guava cheese. This is caramelo meal.
A little bit and then this one. Palayo ka na ng palayo, nasa leeg mo na yung tubig. Oh. Baka malunod, sayang.
Sayang pa doon.
Naku po, putang ina. Ay, ay, ay. Sayang, wala hindi sila nagba-barbecue ngayon. Last day na natin eh. Dapat dito meron sila, di ba? Sabi everyday. Ready na yan, meron na dun eh.
Oh, it's ready?
Yeah, ready na yan.
Ba, dah ka makada, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
Rolling.
Oh. Hindi ko alam kung kambing o baka.
Kambing yan.